Steven, what are you doing? What is that you're eating?
Chicken. That's good. Stop. I have a disorder.
You have an eating disorder?
Mmm. More?
Is it good?
It's good. Is this one spicy?
There's very, very little buffalo spice sauce on it.
Oh.
Okay, why don't you take it out of the fridge so you won't be wasting energy?
Fast sale.
Steven, that is a true eating disorder. I think you should
I love eating in the fridge. It's like secretive.
But you're wasting energy.
Mm-mm. We have free energy.
Really?
Uh-huh.
And water? So electricity and water is free? Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. That's good because usually just water is free.
I don't think it's free.
Oh, water is not, but
No, I
electricity
don't
is.
know. No, I don't think anything is. There's no way to just get you off my back.
Well, apparently it didn't work.
Mm-mm.
Lying doesn't work, Steven.
That was good, thank you.
That's it?
I have 5.